More news updates. In the Senate, Finance Minister Datuk Seri Amir Hamzah Azizan said the Employees Provident Fund is working to rebuild contributors' savings after 145 billion ringgit was withdrawn through 4 COVID-19 related withdrawal facilities. The withdrawals involved 8.2 million contributors through iLestari, iSinar, iCitra and special withdrawals.
Oleh itu, tumpuan masa kini akan diberikan kepada usaha untuk membina semula simpanan persaraan dan memastikan ahli menikmati pendapatan persaraan yang mampan.
During a question and answer session at the Dewan Negara, Amir Hamzah also said that the government does not intend to introduce new withdrawals as the EPF account structure has been revamped by creating Account 1, Account 2 and Account 3. Account 3 is flexible for withdrawals during emergencies. He said the EPF is also exploring a proposal to introduce a monthly pension payment scheme for new members, which is expected to be approved in the next few years. Existing contributors can also choose to switch to this scheme.
Meanwhile, on the implementation of targeted RM145 petrol subsidies, Amir Hamzah said the MyCard will be used as the medium for distributing subsidies to eligible recipients. He said the government is working closely with petrol station operators to ensure their systems run smoothly and without disruption.
Kita sedang bekerjasama dengan syarikat-syarikat minyak memastikan sistem mereka boleh menggunakan IC dan cekap untuk digunakan agar tidak ada terkesan masa pengisian minyak.
Amir Hamzah added that the PADU system will be used to determine subsidy eligibility. The mechanism for targeted RM195 petrol subsidies is expected to be announced by the end of this month, in line with earlier commitments.